Hey, look, the police is having their own car meet. Them blue lines. What the?
Fresh out of Columbus, hotter than a Vegas summer. If it ain't that Lamborghini, it's that black on black Hummer. Call me Mr. Get the Money. I've been on it, get it poppin'. You can't even ask my dentist, cause he know I stay costin' it. You know I'm number one, and nobody comes after. Why the game is full of ringtone and auto-tune rappers. Look, you can tell I'm winning, cause my crew all shining. No, these ain't Jacob the jeweler, these are Harry Winston diamonds. And my watch is just the brightest. Look too long and it'll blind you. And I got so many diamonds in it, I don't know what time it is. My flow hard as hell, and when it comes to rap, you niggas know I got more bars than a county jail. You smell me, I don't care what label you on, cause you can get it anywhere, live or right on this song. You couldn't beat me on my bad day, I'm just too good. My flow nice like old lady.
Long time. So we here. We back. This time with him, cause last time he couldn't make it though. We about to shoot at the abandoned racetrack and shit. So we're about to practice some shots. Let's get it.
All black photo. You ain't know by now.
Cooking soul.
All black. All black photo. Driving like I'm loco. Keep swearing on the jacks. I ain't worried about the popo. Driving like I'm loco, 200 on the dash, I ain't worried about the popos. Get my nigga straps to them with a lick at go-go. Before this rap shit, I would've went solo. Give a fuck about no hoe, amen YOLO. When I catch your ass, nigga Marco Polo. Ride around Dolo, give a bitch the low blow. What I mean by that, I left her hanging like a yo-yo. First money booming, all my hoes tuned in. Get all my homies on through this drug shit and music. I'm too sick, got homies hitting bank on loose clips. Fuck love, nigga, I'm probably shooting at Cupid. I'm a pimp, I'm a Mac, I'm a cold ass nigga. Got the strap with no stash, I'm a bald ass nigga. You a sellout, but you ain't never sold ass nigga. You the type to bend over and touch your toes ass nigga. I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco. 200 on the dash,
I ain't worried about the popo.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco. 200 on the dash, I ain't worried
about the popo.
Yeah. Meet me in the parking lot of the Denny's, with a quarter meal down to the penny. I'll be standing there with my semi. Ask me if I got more, said I got plenty. This good little territory, therefore can't afford it, don't ask for it. Fans took my passport. Fuck with fans and some asshole. I can show you how to hustle. Skinny boy with the muscle. I can show you how to duffel. I can show you how to double boy. Smoking joints to the best herb. Carry guns, but I'm just a nerd. Kick back and I just observe. Dough money is not how to work.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco. 200 on the dash,
I ain't worried about the popo.
I got that all black photo, driving like I'm loco.
We were going to Harper's Ferry, but we didn't feel like getting out of the car. Yeah, it's too fucking hot. They said it's like 80 something, but it feels like it's 100. It's 100, but it feels like it's 90 something. It's 89, but it feels like 100. Let's check out this view right quick. Oh shit, yeah, hold up. I'm gonna show y'all in a second.
4 weeks straight. Pray the Lord help me for my beef's sake.
You can't park. It's like, you can't park. Yo, I missed the whole fucking conversation with this shit. What was he talking about? The driving shit?
Oh yeah. About when it is okay to tailgate.
I say never. But we had like a full-blown discussion about it. Yeah, pretty much argument, yeah. No! Yeah, Safeway though.
Sean West.
Yo, didn't really vlog like that, but that was mostly just taking shots. But yeah, man, that's why I want another camera. But we're on our way to another meet in College Park. This was the one in Starbucks in Rockville, but we're on our way to another meet. We're gonna meet. Well, TJ Baller's gonna be there, so yeah. But we're trying to get the BMW dudes to go, but they were cool as fuck. Just following the homie.
That's not the grip.
Yo, I know.
I was cooking.
Oh, hold on. What was it? What was it?
It was an Integra.
Integra?
Yeah.
How fast were we going?
How fast?
Yeah, it was another car that was trying to race us too. Yo, he snuck up on me though.
Like, oh no. When that car came in front of me, I was like, all right.
I know.
I was like, all right,
Yo,
I'm gonna do 140.
see, I ain't care if he tailgated us because he was with us.
He was behind me when I came out. I was so mad when you were in front of me. I was like, oh,
Yeah, I can't believe he snuck up on me though. We at Starbucks. Sorry, adrenaline rush.
Mango, black tea, lemonade, white ice. I'm glad. No, I done it.
Yo, I'm blowing this shit. Yo, I can't get this fucking camera to work like at night. Like I know there's like a fucking way to do it. I don't know how to do it. Like I tried like mess with all the settings and shit, but it's like it's not working. Like it's coming out, but it's coming out like jumpy kind of. Like I don't know, bro. Yo, what's up? What's up? We in the house. Sorry about I didn't really get any footage at the meet. It was dark, and then at the other meet, I think was it? Yeah, at the other meet, it was mostly just talking to people and shit like that. And then like I was trying to figure out how to work with this camera and stuff. I'm trying to figure it out. Like I thought it would be easy because the guy said it's easy to use. It's not fucking easy to use. What's easy to use is just all these different things that I don't know on a DSLR. Sorry, I'm looking at Smurf WRX, but it's a Nikon. I'm over that whole Nikon versus. I mean, it's a Canon. I'm sorry, it's a Canon. I'm over this whole Nikon versus Canon. Shout out to Roadrunners. I'll put the information on screen. Shout out to them. The owner is fucking very cool, which is dope. They didn't do that hating ass shit, so shout out to y'all. Thank you so much. Finally met TJ Baller. I'll maybe screenshot his Instagram because he has a long Instagram, or I'll put it somewhere either in the description or on the thing.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.